In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your browsing history on the Temu app. Now, whether you're trying to revisit a product you saw a while back or simply ensure you're keeping track of your recent searches, checking your browsing history is a valuable feature to utilize. This task is straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step, ensuring you can easily navigate the Temu app to find exactly what you're looking for. To begin, make sure you have the Temu app downloaded on your device. If not, it's necessary to download it from your appropriate app store. Once you've installed and opened the app, you will be greeted with the main landing page. From here, we'll start by checking your browsing history. First, direct your attention to the app interface and identify the main navigation menu. You might see tabs like Home, Categories, and Account. Our interest lies within these tabs. Spot the tab labeled Account. It's usually found towards the bottom of your screen, but the placement might slightly vary depending on updates or the version you are using. Once you're in the Account section, you'll notice several options presented before you. This is where you'll have access to personalized features such as your profile, settings, and most importantly, your history. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this layout as it hosts an array of useful functionalities. Now, look specifically for the option labeled Browsing History. This should be quite visible and might even have a distinctive icon next to it to grab your attention. Once located, go ahead and click on Browsing History. This will take you to a comprehensive list showcasing the products or pages you've previously visited on the app. As you explore your browsing history, you'll find that it's organized in a way that allows you to scroll through the list and rediscover items. It's akin to walking down memory lane, but digitally. You can click any item to revisit its page, giving you details on availability, price, and more. In instances where you find an entry you no longer need, there might be options to clear individual entries to keep your history tidy. Always remember to look out for icons or buttons indicating deletion, often represented by trash bin icons. And there you have it, your browsing history at your fingertips on the Temu app. By following these simple steps, you can easily monitor and revisit your past navigation paths. Hopefully this makes your shopping or browsing journey more efficient and enjoyable. Thank you for watching and happy searching.